Firstly, keep the stand and safety cutoff like this at a suitable place near to the water source. Then keep the first stage boiler on the distillation like this. Then take the condenser and place it on the cup. The ball and cup should be seated properly. Using this clamp, tighten the condenser properly. It should not be very tight, to just hold the condenser softly. Now take a screwdriver and put these heater wires into the plugs like this and tighten it with a screwdriver like this. So when the heaters are ready, then now the water connections. This is the outlet which is attached to a Y tube. From Y tube, one end is to be connected to the lower boiler for water inlet and the other to the drain. And there is one overflow. A pipe has to be put here. Please make sure that the pipe is put very gently without breakage of the glass part. Now take the pipe from the water source and put it on the back of the distillation like this, on the below nipple. This is the water inlet for the cutoff and the upper is the water outlet for the cutoff. And take this inlet pipe and this is the water inlet for the distillation. So this is the inlet, this is the outlet. The outlet is connected to the Y tube. Y tube is again one Y tube, one end is going to the lower boiler and the other is going to the drain. And on this overflow, one pipe is connected. Now put this connector, this is a power switch from the stand to the safety cutoff. Place it properly. It should be it is a little tight, so you have to put it properly so that there is no short circuit. There's a sensor probe is to be put here on the lower boiler. Distillation is ready, you can start the water. Water will start getting filled up in the lower cup. Take a Hoffman screw and put it on the inlet. This we will tell a little later what is the use of this Hoffman screw. This is to be open all the time. Like when the lower boiler is getting filled up, it is to be open, completely open, so that the lower boiler gets filled up quickly, just in the starting. As soon as the lower cup is filled, water in the heater, water is above the level of the heater, approximately 1.5 inch above the heater. Then we have to tighten this Hoffman screw a little so that water in the lower boiler goes drop by drop, which is converting into the steam. Only we have to replenish that quantity of water into the lower boiler. Now switch on the distillation assembly Now switch on the distillation assembly from here. When we press the restart button, there's a reset button, stop and ready is written. We have to press the restart button and the distillation will start. The lower cup will start only. At this time, this is the regulator for the lower cup. We have to switch it on. Heaters will start glowing. Water will start getting evaporating and getting condensed, and then it will start coming to the second boiler. As soon as the second boiler gets filled up, there's a tube inside the second boiler, a small tube till here. As soon as the water from the first stage gets filled up till that level, switch on the second stage from this energy regulator, and within a few minutes water will start coming, distilled water will start coming. Put a silicone tube. The silicone tube is given here. Put the silicone tube on the output. This is the distillate output, and it can be collected anywhere in the vessel as desired. Thank you.